Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video we're going to be looking at our video funnel creator tool. So once you are on the tool, it's going to take you to this page over here where you can see your project's name, the creation date, and the options over here. But to start off, we're going to add a project. I'm going to insert the name. I'm just going to set tutorial. And once you add it, it's going to take you to this page over here where you can start creating your video funnels. So over here, we're going to add a new video. You can choose a video from YouTube or upload from your computer. I'm just going to upload from my computer. And you click OK. Once it's ready, it's going to go straight to your screen. We're just going to do another one so I can show you guys how to connect them together. You click OK over here. And once the videos are on your screen, you can start adding the new tags. Over here, we're going to add new tag. You can set the tag title. I'm just going to set it like that. Over here, you can select the type. If you want it to go to a URL, a website. If you want to call phone, send an email, or navigate to new funnel step. We're going to use this one over here. And here you can change the icon if you want to. You can move it around. You can set the size, how you would like it. I'm just going to put it on the top corner over here. You can select the start time and if you want it to the end of the video. Once you do that, we're going to click on save. And you can see right here, our tag is added. And to link this video to this one over here, I just need to drag this and it is linked. If I want to create another tag that takes from this video to this video again, I just have to do the same thing. Add a new tag, new funnel. Over here, I'm just going to leave the same size and we're just going to drag it out. So once we're in this video, we click on this tag, it's going to take us to this video. Once we click on this tag, it's going to take us back to the video. Once you're done editing, you can save your changes. Once it's saved, you can get the code, for example, just the link if you just want the link, or you can get the iframe, for example, for your pixel perfect HTML box. Once you get your code, you can also share it over here on Facebook or on Twitter. You just need to put a title and a description. Over here, you can see a preview of your project, and here you can see your other projects. It's going to take you to the first page. And here you also have the options to share it again, to get the code, to edit it, or to delete it. This is going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.